Hi, hello friends, we will make today dal rice, so let's start. Take one bowl of tur dal split pigeon peas, and wash with water to remove all the starch and dust from it. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and salt and boil it for 15 minutes. Blend cooked tur dal with blender to make thick juice. Take fry pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is cooked, add 1.5 tablespoons mustard seed, 1.5 tablespoons cumin seed and 1 tablespoon hing asafoetida, and some neem leaves. After that add 1 spoon green chili ginger paste and chopped onion. Once onion cooked well, add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add 1 chopped tomato and mix well. To enhance the taste, add 1 tablespoon garam masala, Indian spices. It is totally optional. To cook it for 5 minutes and add 1 spoon sugar and some peanut to make curry delicious. Cook it well and mix together for more 5 minutes. Now time to add boiled tur dal, split pigeon peas. Cook curry to remove all extra water for 10 minutes. Add some lemon juice to make curry perfect. And your delicious tur dal is ready to serve. But this dish is not complete without rice. So, let's cook rice. Take 1 bowl rice and wash with water to remove starch. Add 1 to 2 glass of water, 1.5 tablespoons cumin seed, 1 spoon oil and salt to taste and cook rice for 20 minutes.
Now transfer cooked rice into sieve to remove all extra water. For good result, put cooked rice until 5 to 7 minutes into sieve. If you like the recipe, do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.